My mind, deep down in my soul, running through a cornfield, running through a hayfield. I could see it clear as day, and the games we would play to the end of the day. I could hear my mama call, it's time for supper, y'all. Hometown, small town feeling. Wonder where did you go? That one thing I've been missing. Wanna come on back home. At the bottom of the hill, in the sand by the lake, fishing with a homemade pole, fishing with a pine tree pole. Still taste that flavor now of the bluegill catch we're cooking now. Yeah. Hometown, small town feeling. Wonder where did you go? That one thing I've been missing. Wanna come on back home. Hometown, small town feeling. Wonder where did you go? That one thing I've been missing. Wanna come on back home. And I wanna get stuck in the snow. See my neighbor and his tractor pull me back on the road. And I get stuck in the snow. See my neighbor and his tractor pull me back on the road. Hometown, small town feeling. Wonder where did you go? That one thing that I've been missing. Wanna come on back home. Hometown, small town feeling. Wonder where did you go? That one thing that I've been missing. Wanna come on back home. Oh, hometown, small town feeling. Wonder where did you go? That one thing that I've been missing. Wanna come on back home. Yeah, hey. Hometown, small town feeling. Wonder where did you go? That one thing that I've been missing. Wanna come on back home, boy.
It's a one-way ticket world on the runaway train. It's a lifetime searching for the beauty and pain. It's a long way to the last word of a never-ending page. It's like looking at your scars to remind you of your strength. The road leads you where you need to go. The heart tells you what you already know. Here's to miracles for diamonds. Heroes take the long way home. It's about the simple kindness you give every day.